Hello, dear sixth graders. How are you guys? Let's work a little bit more. Are you ready? I am. Let's do it. Let's do it together, guys, and solve some more problems over here. As you know, remember the steps. Right now, I not write the steps because we need to fix it in your mind. And let's work together. Great. Here, we have a mixed operation. I try to cover all right now. If not, no problem. But that's for you to understand. W plus negative 2 is greater than or equal to negative 15. The first step. Oh, guys, remember TikTok? I think you remember. Where is my variable, guys? Left or right? Here is it, Mr. Romeo. Oh, where? Here, W. Okay. W is my variable. And what is the math operation tied to the variable? The math operation, as you can see here, is adding negative 2. Adding negative 2. Right now, I need to do the opposite. I will subtracting negative 2. Okay, mister, subtract negative 2. Yes, we will subtract negative 2. But when subtract a negative number, for you, negative times negative positive, I'm adding 2 here. Let me add 2 here. Goodbye, negative 2. And let's solve right now my problem. Let's solve it. Nice. How do I solve? Just add everything here. It is W, I just repeat W, greater than or equal to. Remember, I just flipped inequality multiplication or division. Negative 15 plus 2, if it's negative, okay? If I move a negative number, I flip the inequality, multiply or divide, whatever. But the multiplication, division. Addition, subtraction, just keep the same. Negative 15 plus 2, it's negative 13. Negative 13 is my number. Let's graph. Let's graph right now. Here, guys, negative 13 is my referral. Open or closed circle, I have a dash. When I have a dash, definitely I need a closed circle. Oh, it's not working well. Okay, nice, it's working. Now it's working. Okay, whatever. Okay, guys, where is the direction of my arrow? Left or right? Let me see here. I look for numbers greater than. Okay, right. Right, greater than. Here is the direction. Nice, done. Let's solve here number 13. 13, the same thing. Where is my variable? Left or right? Here is my k. What is the math operation tied to the variable? The math operation is multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. What is the opposite to multiply by 4, guys? It is dividing by 4. Dividing by 4. Goodbye 4 here. And let's solve. Let's solve this stuff right now. How do we solve it? Quickly, like that. 2.4. Oh, mister, right now decimal. But think. 20, imagine a number, 24. Okay, 24. 4 divided by 24 is 6. But I have a decimal. Then walk back 1. 0.6. Oh, nice. So easy. K greater than 0.6. If I multiply 0.6 times 4 is 2.4. And let's graph. Let me graph right now here. 0.6 and greater than, open circle, closed circle, open, don't have a dash, greater than, okay, let's move to the right, is my arrow. And right now here, guys, number 15, x divided by 3 fourths, greater than 8 divided by 9. Guys, I think you remember this stuff here. I taught you when you were one-step fractions. I think you remember this in fraction. Remember the fraction, the word reciprocal. Reciprocal. I think you remember. What is it, miss? I move by the reciprocal. I need to flip the fraction to the other side. Okay, let's start the steps. I think let's start the steps first. Variable x. What the math operation I have over here? The math operation, Mr. Romeo, as you can see, it is divided. Oh, let me change the color. It's orange. Okay, it is divided by 3 fourths. Divided by 3 fourths. If I'm dividing by 3/4, remember, let's move this guy. Let's move this guy here by what, Mr. Romeo? By the opposite. What is the opposite for this guy here? The opposite for this guy is multiplying 3/4. Let's move then by multiplication. Multiply 3/4. And goodbye 3/4 over here. And let's solve. Just solve it, guys, as usual. Oh, here, what color? Okay, cool. Okay, guys. Goodbye here. Oh, 3 I can divide by 9. Right now here is 1 and here is 3. And 8 and 4 I can divide 2. Here is 2 and here is 1. 2 times 1, 2. 3 times 1, 3. And remember, I move by positive number, don't need to flip the inequality. Keep it. And here's my x. X greater than 2/3. Oh, mister, just it? Yeah, just it. Just it. I can work with the reciprocal as I told you, but right now here I don't need it. Here, keep it 2/3. Here's the number. Look for greater than, open circle, and the arrow moves to the right. Great, guys. Here, remember, here we'll have extra exercise for you. If you want to extend your learning, here's the link. Remember to do this in the classroom or whenever you want. Okay, here, guys, right now the thing I want to show to you, translating one-step inequalities. Guys, we worked this already. Read, understand, translate. The sum of a number, the sum, math operation for the sum, adding. The sum of a number, my number is x, as I told you, and 3 is less than, or equal to the dash, to 8. Mister, just simple like that? Just simple like that. Here, the product. Mister, the math operation, the product. Oh, multiplication. I have 2 factors over here. A number, my number is x, and -5. -5 is here. -5 is one number, x is another. Is greater than, okay, just greater than. I don't have a dash over here. Greater than 20. Mister, like that? Like that. Remember, 7 subtracted from a number. Guys, subtracted from. I have a number here. I'm taking away from the number here. It means x first minus 7. Great. Is no less than. No less than. What is the opposite to no less than? It's greater than. Greater than. The opposite for no less than, it's greater than or equal to 16. Okay, remember, no less than. It means the number cannot be less than. Cannot be equal or greater. The opposite. Nice? Oh, miss, right now it's kind of harder. Okay, guys, just read and understand. 10. 10, number 20. 10 is fewer than, like this. Less than, the same thing. Fewer than the quotient, or now I have a division over here, of a number, x, and -4. Like that. 3/4, okay, 3/4 of a number, okay, this number is x, is at least 75. What does it mean, the word at least? It means, mister, the least number is 75. Then I look for numbers greater than or equal to, because at least I can use 75. 75 is part of the group. And I look numbers greater than. Okay. Guys, the other ones are not solved here, but I think you understand the main idea. And here is when translating one-step inequalities words to math, algebra. Guys, love you so much. You are the best thing I have here today. Love you guys. Mwah. See you later. Bye-bye.